Welcome to the ATC and Diversified Electronics Snapshot series, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our motor auto restart relay. A motor auto restart relay is engineered to automatically restart motors after momentary power drops, effectively bypassing the start switch to re-energize your system without manual intervention. Now, let's explore the MAR. The MAR allows for precise control to stagger motor restarts, minimizing the risk of equipment damage and optimizing your energy usage. There are also many physical attributes of the MAR to take note of, including restart delay adjustment, undervoltage delay adjustment, 8 or 11-pin octal socket connections, wiring diagram, and extended A-style Lexan housing. Additional key features include bypassing the start switch, making restarts automatic after a brief power interruption. Built-in undervoltage monitoring protects against a momentary drop or interruption of control voltage. The adjustable undervoltage delay controls the maximum duration before an allowed restart when an undervoltage or power interruption occurs. The adjustable restart delay controls the duration between the allowed restart and the actual restart of the motor to limit in-rush current. Single-pole double-throw output relay. 120 volts AC 50 to 60 Hz control voltage. 8-pin and 11-pin plug-in models with optional provisions for thermal overload relay integration. The MAR is a game changer in reducing costly downtime, enhancing productivity, and maintaining optimal efficiency. This makes them a great option for businesses facing frequent power fluctuations, facilities with lots of processes or equipment, such as refineries, water or wastewater plants, pharmaceuticals, and any ESA motor remanufacturing partners. When you partner with ATC and Diversified Electronics, you can count on durable, reliable, and accurate products every time. Discover more solutions from ATC and Diversified Electronics by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at atcdiversified.com. Thanks for watching.